Agarwood is a versatile substance that can be used in various ways to enhance your wellness routine. Aromatherapy is an effective and easy way to experience the benefits of Agarwood. There are a variety of methods to use Agarwood Essential Oil, which can promote feelings of calm and relaxation, and may even help with headaches and migraines. One method is to use a diffuser, which will release the aroma into the air, allowing you to enjoy the scent and experience the benefits. Another way to use Agarwood essential oils is by adding a few drops to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and using it as a massage oil. This method is particularly effective in promoting deeper relaxation and relieving pain in the body. By massaging the oil into the skin, the aroma of Agarwood is released, allowing you to enjoy its benefits while also experiencing the benefits of massage therapy. In addition to massage therapy, Agarwood essential oil can also be added to a warm bath for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. The warm water combined with the aroma of Agarwood can help to soothe tired muscles and promote deeper relaxation. In skincare, you can add a few drops of Agarwood essential oil to your favorite moisturizer or serum, or use it as a spot treatment for acne or eczema. Agarwood can help soothe irritated or inflamed skin, and can also help in reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Overall, there are many benefits to use Agarwood essential oil. Just be sure to purchase Agarwood from a reputable source. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has provided you with useful and trustful information about Agarwood. If you have any questions, please contact us via our website www.napuoud.com or our WhatsApp phone number below. Goodbye and see you in the next video.